14 action movie skills that could save your life. A pulse-pounding soundtrack muffled behind the roar of explosions. A hero that can leap buildings and shoot massive firearms. Throw safety out the window. This is an action movie, baby. Boy, these movies sure are a lot of fun. But are there any new skills, tricks, or survival tips we can take from action movies? Do action movies have anything we could apply in real life? How about we look at them in these action movie skills that might help you out one day? But first, smash that subscribe button and explode that notification bell. Believe it, buddy, your bestie has always got your back. Number 1, hiding money. While it might not be for your personal safety, this is one of those tricks and one of the best skills you can use to hide some extra cash. Especially if this extra cash was received through unsavory methods. If you ever have documents or money that need to be safe, action movies teach us that under the floor is the best place to put it. If you have a safe, it can be cracked. The bank asks too many questions, but the floor is pretty safe. No one would suspect it, and no one has the kind of time to go digging. Number 2, escaping zip ties. This is probably one of the best skills you need if you're going to a foreign country. If you're trying to keep people from using their hands, zip ties are the new handcuffs. Police officers have even made the transition to them. Apparently, they are impossible to get out of. The impossible is always possible. If you can, lift your hands over your head and pull them down fast and spread your arms. It'll cause a lot of pain, but if you're strong enough, you'll be released. Out of certain action movie skills that could help you, this one's probably the most common. This is one of those sneaky tricks that could get you out of a sticky situation. Number 3, escape handcuffs with a match. Like zip ties, in order to escape a situation where you're handcuffed, you'll have to do it yourself. Stuck in a pair of handcuffs? No problem. All you need is a match. If you're in a situation where you might end up in cuffs, make sure you have a match. Simply flatten it with your teeth, then stick it in the hole you see below, and you're free. Once again, this trick will help you survive in times of desperate need. Number 4, creating a door monitor. This is one of those new skills that you'll need to catch people who are snooping around. No lock in your room? Or do you have a lock and you're just afraid of it getting picked? You'll need to create a door monitor. It's simple. Just get a piece of tape and some string. Tape the string above the door so it's dangling on the door. When someone enters and then closes the door, the string will get stuck between the door. Number 5, sending a secret message. Why trust others to keep your message secret when you can just do it yourself? If there's a message you need to get out but can't let anyone see, follow this new skill to stay incognito. You'll need a blank piece of paper, a black marker, and a white crayon. The person that is meant to read it will simply color it with the marker and presto, your message is revealed. Number 6, creating waterproof matches. Not just applicable to action movies, this is one of the best skills to survive in real life. There's nothing worse than going on a hike and freezing your behind off. If it's raining, matches won't work unless they're waterproof. All you need to do is take the matches and paint the tip with nail polish. Nail polish does not wash off with water, so the rain stands no chance. As far as certain action movie tricks that could help you, this is the most realistic. Number 7, coded message. Now that you know how to make a secret message, how about a coded message? Start by writing the letters A to M on a piece of paper. Below that, write the letters N to Z. All you do is change the letter you're using to the opposite on the second line. A coded message could be one of the survival tips imperative to escape one day. Number 8, driving anything. Just like an action hero, one of the best of these new skills you can learn is the ability to drive anything. The people at Complex are certain that when you need to survive or escape any situation, you should be able to use any means necessary. For your safety, you should be able to drive not just a manual or automatic car, but a boat, a plane, and everything in between. Not just in video games either, in real life too. Number 9, throwing a punch. In real life, you won't have to throw a punch often, hopefully. This is one of those new skills you'll only use in order to survive, escape, or preserve your safety. The experts down at Expert Boxing describe throwing a perfect punch in 4 easy steps. Plant your feet, rotate your feet, extend and swing your elbow, then make sure to exhale and squeeze your fist. Hopefully, whatever or whoever is threatening your safety won't be there much longer. Number 10, knife throwing. Who knows when you'll be facing down a bad guy with nothing but a knife standing in the way of your ability to survive? Instructables teaches us that throwing a knife can be fairly simple. Just plant your feet away from the target, place the blade in your hand, and handle to the sky. Then, flick the knife at the target with moderate force. Practice in a backyard on a tree. You never know when you'll need it to preserve your safety. Number 11, hunting. While it may not seem like one of the best skills you could learn from an action movie, it's one of those survival tips that comes in handy in most situations. Finding and hunting food is so applicable in real life that it would be dumb not to include it on our list. The survival gurus at the City Edition tell us that cooking outside of the kitchen can be easy if you're savvy. Go for slow-moving animals like frogs and snakes if you're an amateur, and game animals like rabbits or beavers if you're a master woodsman. If all else fails, they say bugs are a great source of protein. Number 12, parkour. This is one of the best skills you'll need to escape an unsavory place. Using the city to zip around is about as action-packed as action movies come. The muscle freaks that run Nerd Fitness say that parkour can be done by anyone, even if you're not in an action movie. Start with jumps, they say. Then progress to some more complicated stuff. In no time, you'll be a street ninja who's able to escape any sort of sticky situation. Number 13, knowing different languages. This is one of the new skills that isn't just good for survival, but great in real life too. You can use different apps to learn a new language, but the language experts at Fluentu state that the best way to learn a new language is to immerse yourself in it. Watch movies in that language, read books you've already read, and understand. Hang around people that are fluent. One day, you may find yourself trying to escape a foreign country, and that new language might really come in handy. Number 14, shooting guns. Say what you will about guns. The fact of the matter is, if you ever need to survive, it's best to know how to do it. Art of Manliness teaches us a thing or two about gun safety. Firstly, you have to treat every firearm as if it were loaded. Don't be pointing it at anything unless you intend to shoot it. An important aspect of shooting a firearm is the old adage squeeze, don't pull. Apply constant pressure to the trigger until the firearm goes off. And make sure not to anticipate the shot. You might just startle yourself. Who would have thought certain action movies could help you? As you can see, you don't necessarily need to be in an action scene to put them to use. But I do not recommend you go looking for trouble so you can try some of these. Do you have any action movie skills you'd want to share? Let us know in the comments what people can do to become a certified action hero. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.